What is your name?
I'm Ankita.
And what do you think about how education is important for a student? Tell us about in brief.
Education plays an important role in the student's life, as if a child get educated, our country also get educated. So we have to studied and school education is also best, but today in society online is better than the school, because as we in online there is many type of facilities we have to choose our favorite teacher and topic that we want or to study, and many type of facilities are there in the online course instead of school course, because but schools give us some incredible friends which can't be made in the online session, so its school also play a better role. But education play a very important role in the we can say the student life, as a country developed because of the students, because the students get developed by education. So we have to study a lot for the future of our country, and for our future and for our family future also.
In India, many schools are not very good for 11th and 12th class students. So, do you think that class student of 11th or 12th should study offline or online?
For class 11th and 12th students, I think they may be comfortable in online course, because they have a choice to choose their own teachers in which they are comfortable to study, because in online classes they have many type of facilities and faculties of many teachers with high experience. But in schools there is not a much higher education than online. So I think for 11th to 12th class students, they have to prepared by the by online courses or by doing online classes.
Do you think these practical examinations that is traditionally going on is essential for a class 12th students which have a pressure of board and JEE for competition, any competition? Do you think practical exams are essential?
Yes, maybe it's play some important role, because by doing a practical exams of 11th or 12th students, they have more motivations and more we can say that mm, एक minute. I think I should be more confident by doing online by doing a practical examination, so it is better for the future of there. But in other words, we can also say it is also not a good for the 12th and 11th students, because they have also pressure of their boards examination. So it may be not doing on that time not doing too much pressure of practical examination for 11th and 12th class students, but it's also necessary, we can say that.
Do you think that it can be good if class 11th students will do practical and class 12th students are only going for theory and not for practicals? Do you think it is good?
Yes, maybe it is good for some or not for others, because there are different type of students, and some want to go schools because they want to explore more things, but some wants to only focus on their boards exams. So it's depending on the students, but it's good for the 11th so to that do their practical, and 12 for to continue their boards.
What do you think about the 10th class and 11th class shift, which is a high syllabus difference?
This
Class 10th class have only less chapters, very less chapters compared to class 11th, and class 11th is very higher than
class 10.
class 10th,
I
and
think
the difference is
government.
very high.
I think the boards give the more content with respective to smaller classes, so that the students get ready for the higher ones. If 8, 9, 10th get motivated and by lesser time, then they can be enjoy their future easily by motivating